to show you how to make a foam butterfly. So first, you need to peel it out and stick it here. Okay, now first, put this one into here. Okay, now this one must go. Where would it go? That way. No, yeah, this way. And the other one. Okay. Now, put this here. Now first, this one go here. I can fly. I think it would fly. Okay, I need to take out it. Okay, and here. Okay, these are stars now. I put it in my hand. So tiny goes here, and the other tiny goes up here. Another tiny goes here, and this tiny goes here. This tiny goes here, and this tiny, it goes here. Okay, now I've got my butterfly.